Hello, Northwest Pressure Washing here with a simple tip to hopefully save your day and save a mess. This little pigtail will save the day. Go ahead and take out your drain plug on your machine. This is for a Honda GX390 motor, and it also works for a few other models as well. It's a 12 millimeter drain plug, oil drain plug. And it just when you go to do your next oil change, you take out your drain plug, change oil, and replace it with this pigtail. It's a 12 millimeter, and at the other end of it, it has a drain port that you could open yourself and drain your oil out your next oil change, and you ain't got to worry about uh, tipping the machine to try to get the oil out, or just making a mess because a lot of it goes all over your motor mount. Everybody should know from experience. So it's just a quick tip, and you can see I put the information to where I had bought it from. I got it on Amazon. That's the company that sells it, I believe, with the part number. Quick tip. I hope it helps somebody out, and have a great day. This is Northwest Pressure Washing Service.